In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to make your background transparent. Now, there's a misconception because you could just have a photo here, and when you put a photo into an open file, you immediately create a new layer here. And as you see here, it's a PNG. I don't have a background on it, and it's really easy just to make the background transparent in this kind of situation. And what you want to do is just simply turn off your background layer, and that way all you have is the picture. And then it's really important to export as a PNG because then that will have that transparent background there. So what you would want to do is just go to File, Export, Export As, and make sure you export as a PNG. And then that way you won't have a background. All you're going to have is the actual picture that you want. And that's it. Hope you guys like the video, and make sure you subscribe for some more easy Photoshop tips.